Hey there. So let me show you how you can create a robust shipping discount with shipping bars, checkpoints, etc. So I'm going to click on configure on shipping discount. So here's the promotion name. Let me call it as free shipping. And in the eligibility rules, you can set up the rules for which you want to give out the free shipping or discounted shipping for. So I'm going to go with the cart quantity rule. If I have any at least two cart quantity items in my cart, then I would like to give them a free shipping. I would also want them to off at least 100 of my currency. And the third rule is going to be for products in my cart. So if I have this one quantity of that product in my cart and my cart subtotal is 100, and my cart quantity is at least two. If all of these rules satisfy, that is when I'm going to give out a discounted shipping to my customer. I also have my delivery rules here. Let's say you have a particular shipping method on your store setup, and let's call it as standard shipping. I'm just going to go with standard here. Then this shipping discount applies only to the standard shipping rule and nothing else. You can make it contains is or is not based on your requirement. And if you have a certain price of shipping, you can just apply this discount for that particular price of shipping method. For keeping the simplicity, I'm just going to go with all rule here. In my discount settings, I'm going to make it 100% off. And this is going to be an automatic discount. You can also go with a manual code discount. So in manual code discount, the shipping discount gets applied as soon as your customer enters this promotion name on the checkout. But I'm just going to go with the automatic shipping discount. I'm going to click on save for this. And then I'm going to show you how you can set up the widget for this shipping discount. I'm going to click on customize widget. And if you can see here, you can set up the widget in multiple languages. And also you can disable or enable the title bar here. I'm just going to keep it enabled, but you can also disable this. You can also change the icon here, the heading, the subheading. You can also take a look at the variables here, what variables to use and what variables you don't want to use. And we have multiple templates. So this is to make sure what type of widget you want to show your customer, right? So since I have multiple rules set up here, I want to show the horizontal checkpoint. So we also have the vertical checkpoint. We also have the single rule, but the single rule layout works only if you have the widget enabled for only one rule or setup. So I'm just going to disable the other rule on the widget and going to give the single. So this is going to work dynamically if you're going with a single rule. But I am sticking with the horizontal checkpoint here since I have multiple rules and I want to show all of them on my widget. I also have the final checkbox, which is nothing but the 100% off on shipping. I can change the icon here. I can change the text here. I can do a lot more. You can also make sure where your widget is placed. So by default, the widget shows up on the cart page and all the product pages. You can disable or enable this. And I'm also going to show this on my side or slide cart so that my offer is visible even there. You can also see and toggle how the widget looks like after the discount gets applied or the discount gets unlocked. And you can scroll down and see how you can change the styling, the title bar, the body of the widget. Everything is just customizable. So I'm just going to save this. I'm going to refresh my page here just to make sure my offer is visible. Yeah. If you can see, this is visible on my product page because we had enabled it on our products. So let's say I'm going to add this to my cart, which actually should satisfy this particular rule here. So if you can see, two of my rules have been satisfied. That is adding items worth at least 100 INR and adding at least one quantity of this particular product in my cart. So these two rules are satisfied. Let me just add one more product here. And my first rule is also satisfied, that is having at least two items. So the shipping discount is unlocked. And as soon as I go to the checkout, I will get to see that after adding my address, I will get to see that my shipping discount has been. So this is about it. If you have any other questions for us on shipping discount or how to set it up, do let us know, and thank you and have a great day ahead.